How to buy Dolomite token. So this token came under the symbol of Dolo. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. So before going on by this token, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, go and check Derek's account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token will be listed on MEXC. So to be able to buy this token, just open your MEXC account like that. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link and create an account on MEXC to benefit from yours and fund your account with some USDT. Now go to the search bar and type Dolo like that, and you will be able to find this announcement. Now click on it. So as you can see, make sure to read all of that announcement as you can see here to be able to know a lot of information about this token and when it will be launched. As you can see, it will be launched 24 April 25 in 13:15 on UTC time. So until that date, you can trade this token. So this is how to buy Dolo token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.